Are you tired of hot flashes, mood swings, brain fog, or fatigue running your life? Today I will show you exactly how to eat to balance your hormones naturally during menopause with everyday foods proven to reduce symptoms by as much as 92%. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a simple, menopause-friendly plate that can calm your symptoms, boost your energy, help you lose weight naturally and easily, and make you feel like yourself again. And you will see that it's easier and more delicious than you think. The menopause-friendly plate. Okay, let's start with the powerhouse ingredients that actually help your hormones. The ones that make a real menopause-friendly plate. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices. You may notice something missing here, and there's a very important reason for that. I will reveal it in a moment. But first, let's break down how each of these foods acts like a powerful hormone balancing ally inside your body. Whole grains. Think quinoa, oats, buckwheat, amaranth, and whole wheat pasta. Whole grains are rich in fiber, B vitamins, and plant protein, all crucial during menopause. They help keep your blood sugar stable, which means fewer mood swings, fewer cravings, and steadier energy. That stability also helps keep cortisol in check, reducing hormonal ups and downs. And thanks to the high fiber, they support digestion, weight control, and help ease hot flashes. Legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and peas are absolute superstars for hormonal health. They are loaded with plant protein, iron, and fiber. But here's the magic part. They contain phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens are natural plant compounds that gently mimic estrogen in your body. And that makes legumes, especially soy foods like tofu, tempeh, and edamame, incredibly beneficial during menopause. Studies show women who eat soy regularly have fewer hot flashes, better bone density, and more stable moods. So, if you are looking for a natural way to support your estrogen levels, soy is your best friend. There are many myths around soy. I will make a separate video to clear them up. Fruits. Fruits bring antioxidants, hydration, and natural sweetness to your plate. They fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two major players in hormonal imbalance. They help your body handle stress better, keep your skin glowing, support heart health and healthy weight, boost natural energy, and help keep your mind clearer during menopause. Vegetables. You've heard this before, but truly, vegetables are the foundation of your hormone-friendly plate. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, broccoli, and collard greens are full of calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants that support your bones, muscles, and mood. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage also help ease menopause symptoms by supporting healthy estrogen metabolism and helping your body naturally balance fluctuating hormone levels. Try to fill at least half your plate with colorful veggies. They are your hormonal peacekeepers. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are little hormone balancing powerhouses. Flax seeds, in particular, are high in phytoestrogens that help balance estrogen levels. Walnuts provide omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and improve mood and brain function. Pumpkin seeds deliver zinc, which supports thyroid function and hormone production. Add a sprinkle to your smoothie, salad, or oatmeal. Just make sure to grind chia and flax seeds before eating them to allow your body to absorb the nutrients. Herbs and spices. These flavor boosters are also packed with healing compounds. For example, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and oregano are full of antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help with joint pain, hot flashes, and brain fog. They make your meals not only delicious but deeply nourishing. So these are the stars of your menopause-friendly plate. And here's the exciting part. You can make thousands of dishes from them. The options are endless and they all support your hormones naturally. And don't forget about ingredients like plant milks, extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, nutritional yeast, and miso, as they provide extra flavor and nutrition. We will move on to the practical tips in a moment, but first, what was the thing that was missing in your menopause-friendly plate? You likely noticed there are no animal products here. That's because new studies show that replacing meat and dairy with plant-based foods can lead to a 92% reduction in hot flashes and significant improvement in other menopause symptoms. And here's why. Animal products trigger inflammation in the body. Even one meal with meat, dairy, or eggs can cause a measurable inflammatory reaction within hours. And inflammation is directly linked to more severe menopause symptoms. Whole plant foods, on the other hand, are naturally anti-inflammatory, high in fiber, antioxidants, and healing compounds that calm your system down. If you'd like to learn more about how inflammation affects menopause and what makes animal products so pro-inflammatory, you can watch my video, The Hidden Cause of Menopause Symptoms, which I will link in the description. Also, the more plant-based our diet is, the easier it is to lose weight. A plant-based diet works better for weight loss than anything else studied to date. It helps you lose weight even while eating as much as you want and without exercising, counting calories, or feeling hungry. Again, if you'd like to learn more, you can watch my video How to Lose Weight Effortlessly, evidence-based. On top of reduced menopause symptoms and easy weight loss, researchers have shown that a more plant-based diet may help prevent and even reverse some of our leading causes of death, including heart disease, cancer, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, type 2 diabetes, and many other leading killers. In the description, I will add a link to a great presentation by Dr. Michael Greger explaining all of them. So, as you can see, you can get tons of benefits from eating more plants. And the good news is, it's not all or nothing. Every small step towards more plants brings you closer to your ideal weight, calmer mood, better sleep, fewer hot flashes, and clearer mind, and more energy. Now that you know what to eat, let's make it practical. Here are 10 easy tips to help you start eating for hormone balance right away. First, a few ideas where you can start. Think of 3 dinner meals you enjoy that are already plant-based, like jacked potatoes, veggie stir-fry, bean and rice burritos. Next, think of 3 meals you already eat that could easily be adopted to become plant-based, like switching from beef chili to free bean chili, or from beef and cheese tacos to bean and veggie tacos. You could also try a curry. There are endless variations, and most can be made fully plant-based. Also, watch a few plant-based cooking channels on YouTube. Seeing someone cook makes it so much easier to try new dishes yourself. Pick 3 that look delicious and give them a go. In this simple way, you will have at least 9 hormone-balancing dinner ideas ready to start with without overwhelm. Second, don't worry if you don't love veggies yet. The more plant-based foods you eat, the more your taste buds will adapt, and soon you'll actually crave them. Focus on whole foods. Whole foods like whole grains, beans, fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds help lower inflammation, boost energy, and keep your hormones happy. That's why try cutting back on processed foods like white flour products, fried foods, sugary snacks and drinks, chips, crackers, trans fats, think donuts or frozen pizza, and most vegetable oils. Processed foods often contain additives, MSG, and hidden sugars, all of which are highly inflammatory and can make menopause symptoms worse. Keep frozen fruits and veggies on hand. They are just as nutritious as fresh and make eating plant-based fast and easy. Cook in batches. When you cook, especially beans or lentils, make extra and freeze portions. And remember to soak beans overnight. It makes them easier to digest and quicker to cook. Speaking of beans, start small with them. If you are new to legumes, begin with 1 or 2 spoonfuls a day and gradually increase to avoid bloating. Canned beans are perfect when you are starting out, easy, quick, and flexible. If your family isn't fully plant-based, cook meals everyone can enjoy. Make the base plant-based and let others add meat if they choose. Always have a backup plan. Keep quick go-to meals like veggie wraps, hummus, and crackers, or lentil soup ready for busy days. Find support. Teaming up with a friend makes change easier. Plan ahead. Meal planning helps you eat healthier, save money, and reduce waste. It also takes the stress out of figuring out what's for dinner. So as you can see, eating more plants is actually easier than it seems and can be incredibly helpful during menopause. Every move toward more plants and fewer animal products will help your hormones rebalance naturally. So start today, you will feel the difference. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube to show it to other women who are going through the same struggles. And hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video that can help you feel better, stronger, and more in control. Thank you for watching, have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video.